I am only slightly embarrassed to show you how gross my shower is. All right, so this is my shower. This is like gross mold. Like, look at how gross this is, okay? Let me show you what I'm gonna do to fix it. So gross, and I'm so ready to clean it. So let's clean it. I just got this guy. It's a steam cleaner, hands-free, hands is spelled wrong, powerful, portable, all nature, dream nature cleaner, steam cleaner. Let's open it up. Okay, one thing to mention is this is really funny. Return or wanna refund, and then if you're not vibing with it and need to send it back, please kindly contact us directly instead of going through Amazon. Our crack team is on standby. So just a tip, whoever did write this should probably run it through some other things to make sure it is all good. All right, so here it is. I am just warming up the water. I took this part off, it screws in, and then it came with a little funnel and a water container. I just put water in it, and then it comes with these attachments. So this, you could steam clothes, glass, and it has all these little scrubby ones that I could attach onto the end of here if I wanted to. This, I believe, holds all these different attachments, and then here's just another scrubby one. Let's clean. I think I'm all out of water. And I can't hear, so I highly recommend wearing ear things while you do this. This was fun. I'm gonna do it again.